right, so this is the radon test kit. All right, so let's see what's inside. All right, so we got the radon alpha track detector. This is the most important thing. This is what will detect the radon in your house. So as soon as you open this, the radon measurement will commence, okay? What's next? We got the shipping label. So this is the shipping label. This will go on the front of your envelope. So you just tape that to the front, and it has all the information, the address for the lab, everything. What else we got here? We got some instructions. So here are the instructions here. This will tell you exactly what to do with the radon measurement. It also gives you username and password so you can log into an account to check your results. But as long as you follow these instructions, you should be fine. Now, I will say it does tell you to put it on the main floor, but if you have a basement, I recommend putting it in the basement. So here's an information sheet for smokers. Okay, so if you're a smoker and you're exposed to high levels of radon, then you will want to read this information sheet. Back of the instructions, so on the back here, this is the data sheet. So when you start the radon measurement, you need to fill this out. Okay, fill out as much as you can. I recommend putting the end date. I recommend writing it there whenever you actually finish the measurement and you go to package everything up. Write the end date first and then package everything up. What else we got here? So we got a reduction guide for Canadians from Health Canada. So if your radon results come back high, this guide will tell you what to do to lower the amount of radon in your home. Last but not least, if you have any questions about anything regarding this radon measurement kit, here's my business card. You can call or text or email me. It all goes to me directly. I will answer it personally, and you can ask any question. If you have any questions regarding this detector or this data sheet, here, if you have any questions about any of it, you can ask me, but the instructions here are pretty straightforward. Okay, so best of luck, and I hope you have low levels of radon in your home.